These are so cheap right now, you might as well do what I did and grab 4. This 6-inch handheld mini chainsaw, ever since I got it, it's become the tool I use the most around the yard. It comes with 2 21-volt batteries, and it also includes an extra chain like this. If it's under 6 inches in diameter, this thing cuts right through it. People are grabbing these like crazy right now, so if you want to get one before they're gone, I've put a link in the bottom left. Count link below. 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 Count link below.